In this video, I'm introducing you to RS and GIS plugin in QGIS. This is a very powerful plugin in QGIS for satellite image analysis. So let me open QGIS. In QGIS, come to plugins. Click on manage and install plugins. When it opens, make sure you are under all. Then come to this search box and search for RS GIS. And here is it, RS and GIS. RS and GIS operates on raw satellite data like Landsat 1 to Landsat 8 and LISS to produce standard output and user-defined custom bad output. So it's a very powerful plugin for satellite data analysis. So to install it, once you have selected it, click on install plugins. In few seconds it will be installed. Yes, it is installed successfully. Then we can now close this. Immediately you install it, here is the icon of the plugins. So if I click on it, it will open the RS and GIS plugins, and this is version 17.0. and here I need to introduce you to few things here. Here is the raw data inputs. This is the area where you input your raw data. Then here is where you specify the outputs, and also here you can specify extra derived outputs. And some things to know about these plugins is that you have about 6 steps to derive output from these plugins. And number 1 is to select the mode of selection. Number 2 is browse the file to process. Number 3, select the area of interest shapefile. Then select all the desired outputs. Number 5 is to give some extra details required. And number 6 is to start the processing. Then the support files are LISS4, LISS3 data, then Landsat 8 OLI and TIRS sensor level 1 data. Take note of this sensor level 1 data. Then for Landsat 7 ETM plus sensor level 1 data, Landsat 5, Landsat 4 TM sensor level 1 data, Landsat 4 and Landsat 5 MSS sensor level 1 data, and also Landsat 1 to 3 MSS sensor level 1 data. And take note, you are to select all the required bands along with the metadata file, and also all the output are stored in the directory where raw data is stored. Then all the listed output are available to Landsat 8 data, but some features are not available for other data products due to unavailability of required bands. So these are the few things I want to introduce you to about this plugin called RS and GIS. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use this plugin to automatically extract, for example, land surface temperature from Landsat 8. This is RS and GIS plugin in QGIS. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.